Headache English. Study English.
Let's take a look at the new words to study for our headache English.
Effect, allude, oral, hear, loathe.
Effect versus effect. Effect, verb. Influence, to make a difference or have an effect on something.
Effect, noun. Result, change, or outcome.
Effect. Every decision you make today will surely affect your future someday.
Effect. Her kind words had a magical effect on the children.
Let us use the words together. The effect of your good performance will affect the whole project well.
Allude versus elude. Allude, verb. Call or suggest indirectly.
Allude, verb. Avoid or escape from something.
Allude. In your remarks you allude something unbelievable.
Elude. The criminal managed to elude the police officers.
Let us use the words together. Alondra prefers to allude to these things ironically without knowing what Lena actually means, as it feels like the truth eluded the moment she lied months ago.
Oral versus oral. Oral, adjective refers to ear or relating to sense of hearing.
Oral, adjective spoken or verbal.
Oral. Our goal is to give the learners visual, tactile and oral stimuli, which increases their engagement in learning.
Oral. The teacher asked the students to prepare for their oral quiz tomorrow.
Let us use the words together. University students prefer oral quiz because they believe that it enhances their oral ability.
Hear versus hear. Hear, verb. Sound perceived by the ear.
Hear, adverb. In this place.
Here? Shin decided to go camping because he wants to hear the sound of the crickets at night.
Here. Can I sit here for a moment?
Let us use the words together. We are here today because we want to hear your reason regarding the commotion that happened yesterday.
Loathe versus loathe. Loathe, verb. Intense dislike or hate.
Loathe, adjective unwilling or hesitant.
Loathe. Gino and Sean loathe each other.
Loathe. He seemed loath to give his suggestions.
Let us use the words together. I'm loath to tell what I know about the discussion that they are having because the loathe in their eyes is visible.
You're in the mid part of the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Let us take a look at a class having discussions about headache English.
As I was saying a while ago, there are lots of English words that confuses and makes our head ache. So, today, we will discuss and use the words in sentences.
After discussion.
Now that you already know what headache English means, will you please give words and to make it clearer?
Hear versus hear. Our teacher is here to hear us differentiate the meanings of headache English.
Oral versus oral. I prefer written exams than oral ones because I have an oral problem.
Loathe versus loathe. I loathe having conversations with strangers, so I'm loath to make new friends too.
Allude versus elude. I did not allude anything about the matter to elude arguments. Well done. Please do your research about the topic I gave you last time. I will not accept late submissions except for those who are going to inform me ahead of time but with valid reasons.
Let's check your knowledge. Direction. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. Do not destroy the earth because the blank is long-lasting. Number 2. Climate change blank every aspect of our lives. Number 3. Jack had a deep blank for his siblings.
Letter A. Effect.
Letter B. Effect.
The correct answers are: Number 1. Letter B. Do not destroy the earth because the effect is long-lasting. Number 2. Letter A. Climate change affect every aspect of our lives.
Number 4. The culprit's statement was seen as in blank to the recent bank robbing. Number 5. The rabbit blanked the fox skillfully. Number 6. It's absurd if we blank without thinking properly.
Letter A. Allude.
Letter B. Allude.
The correct answers are: Number 4. Letter B. The culprit's statement was seen as an allude to the recent bank robbing. Number 6. Letter A. It's absurd if we allude without thinking properly.
Number 7. The blank exam will be 15% of the final grade. Number 8. The prescribed medicines are to be taken blank. Number 9. Over time, Anna developed blank difficulties, so her doctor suggested to wear a hearing aid.
Letter A. Oral.
Letter B. Oral.
The correct answers are: Number 7. Letter B. The oral exam will be 15% of the final grade. Number 9. Letter A. Over time, Anna developed oral difficulties, so her doctor suggested to wear a hearing aid.
Number 10. Yasmin started to stay blank when she was in 5th grade. Number 11. I felt relieved after blank your explanation. Number 12. I can blank you, no need to shout.
Letter A. Here.
Letter B. Here.
The correct answers are: Number 10. Letter B. Yasmin started to stay here when she was in 5th grade. Number 12. Letter A. I can hear you, no need to shout.
Number 13. Sophia did not even blank to make assumptions about the topic. Number 14. I'm blank to spend all my savings at once. Number 15. I blank these dreadful journey, but I love to see my hometown again.
Letter A. Loathe.
Letter B. Loath.
The correct answers are: Number 14. Letter B. I'm loath to spend all my savings at once. Number 15. Letter A. I loathe these dreadful journey, but I love to see my hometown again.
Congratulations! You're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.